Hello and welcome viewers to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use Snip tool, which is a built-in application of Windows, to use it for screen recording with your mic. So let's jump into the video topic. So to launch your Snip tool, either you can go to your start menu and type here Snip. You will see the Snip tool here, or you can use a shortcut by pressing Windows, Shift and S button together. This will open Snip tool. And under snip tool, by default it will be selected as a snip, like it's a screenshot. It's for using screenshot, and for using video recording you will have to switch to this video camera icon. So now simply come here to camera and then choose your area that you want to record. After selecting the region, release your left mouse button and then you can come here and select to unmute this mic. Like if I unmute this one, this will record my voice as well, and if I hit start, this will show a countdown, and now your screen recording have got started. Once you are done with recording your screen, just come here to stop the recording or pause the recording, whichever you would like. Once done, hit on stop recording, and there you go. Your screen have been recorded with voice. Please check this one. After recording, don't forget to save this one by hitting this save icon here. Currently I want to save it on my desktop. Just save it. And now you are done. I hope you will find this video really very helpful, and also you will have to check for some settings, like under snipping tools. If you go to settings, include microphone input. By default, when a screen recording starts, you can also toggle this on, so next time you will not have to switch to mic and turn it on. So it will be by default, it will start recording with your voice. So there are other settings as well. Come here and do check this out. And please note that your snipping tool version should be above 11.11.35.0. So if that is not, you have to go to your Microsoft Store and download the latest snipping tool version. So currently the snipping tool version is 11.2409.25.0 on the date which I am recording, that is 20th of Jan. So go ahead, check this out and download the latest snip tool version and try recording your video with voice. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.